everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video I will be doing a tutorial for 3 Christmas colorings, and because like Christmas is near, and last week I did a Christmas theme tutorial and I didn't include a coloring. So in this week's video I decided to do 3 coloring tutorials, and these Christmas colorings are not created by me, so I will let you guys know who they're created by, and you guys can give the credits to the proper person. So let's get started. So the first coloring is the half red and half green coloring, and it's basically like half of the video is red, half of the video is green, because to represent Christmas, red and green. So let's get started. So I have this video of Charlie that I'm going to be doing it on, and basically what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto ultra light, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the clarity to 10, so plus 10, and the sharpen to -10. So you can also do this on other apps such as Polar if you don't have ultralight on the device you're using, but I'm just going to use ultralight. So then what we're going to do is we are going to go on to 24 FPS, and we are going to select the video we just added the ultralight settings on, and use the filter Take On Me, or whatever it's called. And then you're going to save that to your camera roll. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Prequel. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Video Star, and you're going to click Edit Video. And unfortunately, I do not know how to do it on Android, but I know you can do it using color tone with the settings, so you can go ahead and use that. So after you go on to Video Star, you're going to click New, Multi-Layer. So you are going to import your first video, your plain one, and you're gonna search up Hue Shift. And then after you click Hue Shift, you're going to scroll this bar until it goes to, we're going to do red first. So I'm just going to use pink as red, because there's no like specific red. Then you're going to click Create, and you're going to save this to your camera roll. Then go back on the video again, import your original video, go on to Hue Shift, and go on to green, because the second color is green, because Christmas, red and green. For the screen splitting, I don't know how to do it on Video Star for free, so you guys can just do it on CapCut, and there are many tutorials, so you can search that up on TikTok. But for Video Star, what you're going to do is you're going to import your red video, and then you're going to add for the second layer, add green, click Add Mask, click these 3 buttons, and click this one. It's the second one to the vertical rectangle, and then I'm going to make the size bigger, and then align it so it's like right in the middle, and then it should like crop the video into half, so it's half red and half green. That is it for the red and green Christmas coloring, and now we can move on to the second one. So for the second coloring, it's just a basic Christmas coloring, and you are going to go on to 24 FPS, import your video, and you're going to use, I'll put the QR code on the screen. I don't know how to say the username, so I'm not going to say it. But the adjustments you're going to do is you are going to put saturation in the color section to 100, and luminance to negative 100, so all the way down, and it should look something like this. So you can see the hair is red, pretty red. Then you're going to save this video. So next you're going to go onto Video Star, and then you're going to click Add New Video and import the red video we just made. Then click Make Video and go onto Multi-Layer. Then you're going to click onto Hue Shift and choose a green that you like. It can be a light green or a dark green, so I'm just going to go with this green. Next you're going to go into Prequel, and I will put the settings on the side of the screen, so you can go ahead and just copy those. Okay, then you should end up having something that looks like this, very gray, and just looking like this. And you should have your red video. You can get rid of the green one because you don't need it anymore. But then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto CapCut, you're going to click New Project, put your gray video as the base, and add overlay, and add the red video as an overlay. And then what you do is you click Mask, click the film strip one, put the white arrow all the way down, and slide this up to the top around the face, like that. And then, so now the face is red, and you are just going to keep on adding red as the overlay. So add it as the overlay, click Mask, film strip, put the blur down, and this time because we put it on her face, now we're gonna go down, like onto her clothes and everything. Then you can put the resolution up all the way high and save this to your camera roll. Then you are going to go on to ultralight, and I'll put the preset, I'll put everything on the side so you can go ahead and just copy it. And then lastly, you are going to go on to precool, and I'll put the settings up on the side as well so you can go ahead and copy. So it should end up looking like this, and that is it for the second Christmas coloring. And now it's time for the final and last coloring. This one is a very simple gray type of coloring, so let's get started. So you're going to start off with ultralight, and you are going to use a color-free video. Then you are going to click clarity -10, sharpen -10. Then the saturation, you are going to put -10 for all, so it should look like this. And then you are going to go on to temperature, do -3 on the blue side, so -3 like that. Then you're going to go on to precool, and the settings are up on the screen. And then lastly, you are going to go on to CapCut, and you are going to add your video. Then click adjust and put the sharpen to 100, just like that. So it should end up looking something like this. Then put the resolution up all the way high and save to your camera roll. And it should look something like this. So although this doesn't look as Christmassy as this one or the other one, I still think it looks good. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please give credits to the people who made this coloring. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!